severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Grady County and central Oklahoma until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northeast of Pecasset, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tuttle, Bridge Creek, and Pecasset. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Strong thunderstorms will impact